Namaskar. I'm PK Singh, GST author, speaker, practitioner, founder of the Institutes of GST Professionals of India and PK Simply GST. The Institutes of the GST Professionals of India already started the online courses from 25th of April 2020, and the first batch of the GST professional practitioners and GST professional pundits is going on, where we are covering all the CGST, IGST sections, all the rules, all the forms, and some of the important case laws. Because our motto, our objective to create the GST experts in the market. So we are doing our 100%. Our participants is also enjoying. We are going to start another batch very soon. Apart from that, lot of my professional friends and other friends who requested that, because the people they requested them that if it is good that we can start some of the courses which is duration of 70-75 hours, and that will be the weekend. So more people they are interested to join, because they want to, everyone want to the GST expert that, and obviously that is our target, that is our objective. So we designed the course, and we are going to start from first week of the June for those professionals who want to be a real GST expert, who want to go through at least one time all the sections, rules, forms, and important case laws, and all the practical problems relating to the GST, intricacies in the GST, all other, issues will be there, a lot of notification will be there, a lot of confusion will be there, and people they are filing the returns, but they are not filing the correct returns, their monthly returns, their quarterly return, their annual returns, their audit reports, they are not able to file the correct because of a lot of confusion will be there. We understand that, and we know that these are all happening because the GST accounting, most of the people they are doing the accounting in the old traditional manners instead of the GST accounting, like the whatever requirement to submit the details in GST, GSTR 3B, GSTR 1, all these details, they have to change their accounting system, but they are not changing. That is the reason they are preparing a lot of reconciliation, a lot of time, they are devoting to reconcile, the file the returns, monthly returns, quarterly returns, and then annual returns. So that is the reason we are focusing more on GST accounting. We are, in fact, we are disclosing to all our participants that these are the profit and loss account and balance sheet, where the group, subgroup, and ledger will be there relating to the GST. Once you will go in this way, you need not require to prepare monthly, quarterly, and annual reconciliation. Easily you can file all those returns, and most of the returns will be correct, subject to minor things which you have to deal on monthly, quarterly, and annual basis. So we are going to conduct that program. I hope you'll encash this opportunity and join this course. Then, apart from that, we are going to announce regular webinars on the GST topics, and we plan that at least annually we'll cover nearly 60 webinars on weekly basis. We will communicate through our GST professional journals and various modes of social media, and other modes will communicate to you. And then we started, a lot of people they want to know about the basics of the GST as a beginners, and a lot of graduates will be there. They are eager to know about the GST, and they can't go for the GST Pandit and GST practitioner course because their basics is not very much clear. So for them, we are going to start from this 28th of this month, May. We are starting a course for 5 days, online GST webinars, and the fee we are very minimum, we are charging for all of you, and we are going to cover the basics of GST, basic concepts of the GST, overview of the GST monthly and quarterly returns, and GSTR 9 also annual returns, and GST accounting. We will communicate you how to do the GST accounting, perfect GST accounting. So you will not face any problem in filing of your GSTR monthly and quarterly or annual returns. So friends, we are trying to do our best from our side. Our motto, our objective is to create a lot of members, lot of people in the market as a GST experts, so they can serve to their clients and they can guide to their employer, and even this is the win-win situation for all. So the professionals, a lot of professionals, experts will be available in the market. It is good for all the stakeholders of the GST. So come, join us, be a part of the Institutes of GST Professionals of India. Enjoy a learning of GST in IGPI. IGPI. We promise you will resolve all your practical issues relating to GST, and we will guide you in such a way that you will be one of the expert of the GST in the market. And I can challenge you. Just come, join us, enjoy being a learning in GST. Thank you, all of you.